Welcome to database experiment number 6. So in this experiment we are going to create a stored procedure that displays the name and cust ID of the customer whose booking ID is passed as parameter. So in this what we have to do, we have to create a procedure. So for that we have to write create or replace procedure pro num in number is cust ID. Then here we are doing declaration. So cust ID number 5, login name, varchar 220, begin. Then here we are doing execution part where we are writing the query select cust ID login name into cust ID login name from customer details where cust ID equals to. Then here we are writing subquery select cust ID from car booking where booking number equals to num. And then here we are printing dbms output dot put line cust ID, and here we are concatenating login name 1, and then here we are executing procedure created. So to execute the procedure we have to write execute pro. Then here we are giving 5 as an input because here we are taking argument in number. So in the next question what we have to do, next question, we have to create a stored procedure that retrieves the car ID and raise in price as parameter, and it raise and then it raise the price of that car in the car details. So for that, what we have to do? Same thing. We have to create a procedure, create or replace pro ID number, comma. Here we are taking two arguments. Then here we are doing declaration part, car ID number 5, base price details number 5, begin. Here we are doing execution part, update price, update price details, set base price, per day base price, day plus price where car ID equals to ID, and we are executing and procedure is created. Now to print that we have to write select star from price details, then all the details are priced, and to execute the procedure we have to write execute procedure. Then here we are taken two arguments, so here we are given 101 comma 100, two arguments in numbers, so that procedure is executed now. In the next question, we have to create a stored procedure which takes booking date and cost as input. The procedure should display the number of days then the car has been booked. So for that, we have to create or replace procedure pro. Then here also we have taken two arguments is number. Here we have done here we have done declaration part. Then begin select count return date. Then here we have written count into num from car booking where cust ID equals to cust ID and booking equals to booking. And then here we are printing TBMS output dot put line number, and then here we are printing select star from car booking. Then here we are executing the procedure, and then the procedure successfully completed. In the next question, we have to write a procedure that deletes the car record whose car ID number is passed to it, and if such car number is not existing, raise no data found exception. So for that we have to raise an exception. So this is declaration part, this is execution part, this is exception part. So here we have done raise application error plus 100 car ID is missing. Same thing we have to do, execute the procedure, then procedure will get executed. Here we have written the procedure will get executed. The next question, we have to write a function to display price of booking with given car booking number. For that, we have to create or replace function 5. It will take argument as number, return number, this is declaration part, is prime number, is price number, begin, this is execution part, and it will return price. Now function is created. Now we have to print dbms out.put line function. We are calling the function with argument 5, and it will print. Then it will write procedure successfully completed. Then in the next question, what we have to do, we have to create a function which count total number of car price more than 500. So for that also we have to create a function 5 booking number. It will take booking number as argument, return number is price number, begin, this is execution part, it will return the price, and to run the function we have to begin dbms out, then here we are calling the function 5, and we can see process successfully completed. In the seventh question, we have to create a function which display the car details when color is given as input. So for that, here we are doing declaration type tt is table of car details ampersand row type AATT begin. Then here we are doing execution part, and here we have written the query select star bulk collect into AA from car details. Then here for I, here we have used loop dbms out dot print. Then it will concatenate everything, and it will now to run. Now whenever we write forward slash it will automatically execute it and it will show the procedure successfully completed. The last question, what we have to do, we have to create a procedure, print name and customer who have done the maximum number of booking. So for that, what we have to do, create or replace function 5. Here we will take color as argument. Okay. Then return card details. Then is price card details row begin. Then here writing the query, select star into price from card details where color equals to color, return price, and it will show function is created. So this is the sixth experiment of database system. So thank you for watching this video.